They're not here. Can't find my drill bits anywhere. There, done.
Did you get them ordered?
Yep.
Hello, thanks for calling Paul's Hardware. This is Lee. How can I help you?
Lee, my name is Corey Morris. I ordered some stuff a little while ago to be picked up. Like the cat?
Yeah, could you just get a signature there and I'll get a phone and you're good to go.
Aha!
Drill bits.
They got these cool little things that go on your hood and they operate with pressure screws. And this little plate here pushes up against it and that'll hold these on the hood. So I have these I want to put on the hood on either side. And then I have this one that's going to go on the front. And these will be the first 3 lights that goes on Otis. As you can see, this is the bull nose that I got to put the light bar on for the Jeep. But the only problem is the light bar I got is too big to bolt on directly. So I had to make a sub bracket and put the light bar on that would allow me to bolt that directly to the bull nose. So that's what I'm going to be doing now, is I'm going to be assembling this sub-assembly so that I can get this on the Jeep in the morning. So right now, hopefully that'll give me enough thread. I don't know if it will or not, but hopefully it'll give me enough thread. Start a nut. And then I got to use longer bolts. So I'm just going to put this on loose until I get everything on, and then I'll tighten everything up all at one time. Now I got to find the rest of the long bolts. I don't think I have any more. I guess we're going to have to go back and punt a little bit. Will this fill up that way? Nope. Still doesn't give me enough bolts. Well, crap.
Back to Ace Hardware.
Yep, but that's gonna have to be in the morning.
Okay.
Found a workaround. Those carriage bolts that I used to put the bar on, I bought a box of them. They work perfectly.
Cool.
Plenty of room for a washer, and plenty of room for the nut. And they look a lot cleaner too. Look a lot cleaner on the top. And now we'll tighten this one. And there we go.
Very cool.
So the question is, where do we mount this thing? Doesn't seem to be enough room unless we mount it right back there in that area right there. No room over here because there's not enough room. If I move the battery over and take it out of the tray, That'll give me enough room to slide it down in here, but then that ground wire right here becomes a problem. If I mount it inside the Jeep, then every wire's got to come through the firewall. I'm thinking right back there is going to be my best bet. So I got the two 8-polar pods mounted, and I've got the bull nose mounted. And I think we're going to put the box back there. Somehow, some way, we're going to get it mounted back there. Okay, so we got this thing mounted, kinda, and got the wires run back there behind it. And now it's time to hook everything up. Do that.
And that'll ground us down.
Yep, okay, this right here is the accessory wire. This is what lights up the little switch that'll be inside.
Okay.
So I have to use these cool little things here called wire taps. They're a fuse tap. The problem is I don't really need a whole lot of power. And I've got like 5, 10, and 20. Oh, this is 15 amp. Now the cool thing is this is a 15 amp fuse right here that I can't get fuse puller. You know what, that fuse looks pretty toast. I think I'm gonna put one of these newer ones in it. Like that. So you got one that goes to this circuit and one that completes the circuit in here. And then bloop, that's done. And then we can connect this. And that won't work like that. So let me put it in there this way. There we go. And that's our accessory current. It's ready to go. Ready to be tied up. There it goes. And then that connects that. So then we're going to take all this excess .
Do you want a zip tie?
Yeah, there should be a zip tie somewhere in that bag, I think. It don't have to be great, it just has to hold it together, get all the excess in there. Just like that. So this should be 14 gauge or 16 gauge. Okay, we'll go with 14. Get the power. So that's solid. Alrighty.
And you just put it back on the post.
Trying to get this together. so that I can wire up my first switch.
And that goes to the light bar on the front?
Yep. And I was trying to get this so I could get the shrink wrap on it, but it's not big enough. I didn't put big enough shrink wrap on it. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to get me a ballpark of how far this wire needs to be and then cut it. That's gotta be far enough. And then I can take this shrink wrap off
And put new
and
shrink.
put a bigger one on. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to take a body panel off, get one of these. They work so much better. You just pop up the little thing in the middle. Oh, now watch, this one's gonna make me out to be a liar. Okay, I'll go to this one then. There, you pop that up. Don't pull it out too far. I mean, they're easy to go back in, but and then just pop the whole thing up. There we go. And then voila. The whole grill should just come right off. You got it.
I am stuck. I'm like, seriously, I'm stuck. Is that where it's supposed to come through?
Yep.
There you go.
All right, don't pull too hard on it.
All right. So the grill just slides in, and I cleaned everything best I could with a wet paper towel. And now we'll put the,
This is hard now, be careful.
pay attention.
See how hard
Let's see
that
that
was?
again. See that again. All right, one more time.
Ready?
Yeah. Ta-da! It works.
Okay, so as you can see, I've already got the red and the black connected from this light. The wires are gonna run over there. I'm gonna zip tie them to something underneath there. I don't know what yet, but I'm gonna zip tie them to something. And then we'll go over there and connect all of that together with the block. Those will go in number one. Here you go.
What are we trying to do here?
Just keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Just make sure it's loose behind it. Test it, see if it'll pull out. I mean, you got a yank on it, but just
It was a little loose. I can clamp the other side.
okay. And they work. What about the other one? Put the other one on. Put the other one on. And they all work. How about that? The car hasn't blown up in smoke yet. So we got the switch thing mounted. And it doesn't It pushes back a little bit, not much. I guess you can't expect super duper tight, huh? We got this cool little kit that has 4 accent strips that we're going to install. I think we're going to put one underneath my dashboard, one underneath the glove box, and then we're going to put the strips down here. That way it'll shine up on the dashboard, more towards the feet. Well, in true 3M adhesive quality, we just went ahead and peeled the sticky stuff off the back because it wasn't sticking on nothing. Time to get construction adhesive. So since these things won't stick, we peeled the sticky stuff off the back of it. And we are going to Gorilla Glue it. Crystal's trying to do hers according to the manufacturer's suggested application process, but I don't do things that way. She's just trying to show me up.
No, I'm just following the directions. The difference between men and women.
Oh, okay, I get it now. You put on way a lot more than I did. You just hit the on but point, there you go. And they work.
Yay.
And my feet have a nice little blue glow to them.
Here, let's change. Ooh, now you're purple.
Now I'm purple.
Ooh, now you're green.
Hey guys, I just wanted to break in here real quick and let you know that if you see anything that we use, please go to our website at forlow2go.com and check out our Amazon affiliate links. And if you'd like to purchase them, just use those links to buy the products that you see that you like that we have or we use on our channel. And it doesn't cost you anything extra, and it'll help us out a lot. So thanks a lot, we appreciate it. So there you have it, we installed those accent lighting. What do you think, Ma?
I think it's cool, and hopefully I'll be able to see the knobs now. And this was easier than soldering in light bulbs behind the
Yeah, because they're
dash
like
plate.
that big.
Yeah. So.
Well, cool deal.
Yep. All right, now mud flaps.
Yep.